Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have our 2011-16 LML Duramax high flow passenger side intercooler pipe kit. So the LML Duramax is a very popular platform and we've always offered a lot of upgrades for the LML. So this cold side intercooler pipe replaces the OEM plastic assembly, which is just a little bit over 3 inches in diameter. Our new intercooler pipe is a full 3.5 inch, constructed of 14 gauge heavy duty aluminum with bead rolls on either end. The factory pipe is a two-piece design. It's plastic with a boot section in the middle, and the plastic sections are notorious for blowing apart on both higher mileage vehicles and applications with increased performance, additional boost pressure, upgraded turbochargers, things like that. The main benefit to our intercooler pipe over factory is both reliability and increase in flow. Our intercooler pipe flows 23% more CFM than the factory unit. Tested on the flow bench at 28 inches water column pressure, the OEM unit flows 613 CFM, while the WCFab 3.5 inch pipe flows 754 CFM, giving us a total gain of 23% over factory. So not only are you gaining more airflow into the engine from the intercooler, you also have a much stronger pipe than the factory unit with a much more reliable silicone boot and clamping system, and no need to worry about that factory plastic pipe blowing apart, which always seems to happen at the most inopportune times. Our unit is a drop-in replacement, there's no tuning required, no check engine lights to worry about, and is emissions compliant. The pipe's a very simple install. You're looking at under 1 hour for an average mechanic with basic hand tools. And lastly, of course, like all WCFab product, we take great pride in our powder coat finish. Like all of our product, it is available with 35 standard colors to choose from and thousands of others if you so choose to select one of the many custom colors with the custom upgrade charge. WCFab red, shown in front of us here, and gloss black is typically in stock on our shelves. So those are available quickly for guys that have a failed pipe and looking for a replacement right away, and all other colors will carry a typical lead time. So that wraps up our 3.5 inch high flow intercooler pipe for the 2011-16 LML Duramax. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to our sales team, any of our valued dealers, or go ahead and leave a comment below on our social media channel. Thanks a lot for watching.